Right, we're in the barn. We're going to check in with this guy. This is Crazy 7. He's going to show you how to light a fire without a spark.
Yes, we're going to do a friction fire. Basically, it's a piece of cord, like sash cord, and in there, it's not drugs, it's just a bit of rust, and you can do this with actual ash out of the fire as well. Then on the floor, 2 blocks of wood. But what I'm going to do is Craig's going to shut off in a minute. We'll come back, because I'm going to untangle all this lot, and then we'll come back to you in a second.
Alright, see you, mate. Right, we're back to it.
Right, what we've done is we've basically got the cord, peeled it all to bits, made it into like an old man's beard, and we sort of twist it around in our hands a bit to get it to nest back up again, all tangles, and make it into a bit of a, I don't know, like a blankety thing. And then we're going to grab the rust, or you can use ash, and we'll go down on the floor. If I get there. Oh. Can't breathe. Basically what we're going to do, sprinkle the rust, it'll come out, all over this. Now it will fall through the twine. Now you think to yourself, oh, where do you get the rust from? Anything like this, steel plate, under your car, scrape it with a knife, the rust comes off, that's where I got it. And then you try and make a roller. Somebody shoot that chicken. Animal farm. Do it with your hand, you roll it like a sausage, you need it to try and get tight. Right, we've rolled it up like a sausage. We've got 2 bits of stick. You want to make sure these sticks aren't too smooth. You can do this with like 2 rocks or something that's hard. And then basically you start to roll. And the more you roll, the tighter it gets. What you do, I think you need about 70 rolls really fast. I'll get it right.
Chicken's counting in.
Break it open.
That's incredible.
How good is that?
That is incredible. I'm sorry, but you've got to be saying that is brilliant.